All right, so today I really wanted to show this green, call me Rex, of the Lina Nail Art Supply new stamping polishes from the Queen of Carnival collection that should be available very shortly. And I used actually both the green and the gold love beads in this mani. And someone made a comment that they thought that the yellow and the gold were too close. And I can see how somebody might think that, and maybe that they wouldn't be necessary in the same collection, but I find them pretty different, and they are different stamped as well. And some people might prefer the paler gold, and some people might prefer the more brassy yellow, and this is definitely brighter, and they have different shimmer. So you might not need both. You might prefer one over the other, but I do think that they are different enough that if you want the whole collection, I think that they can fit in your collection. Anyhow, so what I have is a very dark blue magnetic base on. This is Misura 904114. And over that, I stamped using this image from the Lina Twirls and Swirls 01 plate. And I picked this image because I got asked a question about how this stamping polish does with fine lines, because some stamping polishes can dry pretty quickly and it struggles with fine lines. And this image has both fine lines and thicker lines, so I thought this would be a good way to show how it does with them. So I'm going to show you the green because I really, really like this combo of the dark blue and the green, and that's what I'm going to put on my thumbnail. Okay, so again, this polish is quite thick and pigmented, and you don't need very much. So I am wiping off quite a bit off the brush, because if you just take it out of the bottle, it's going to be way too much polish. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it over that part of the image, making sure I get that end. Okay, then I'm gonna have my stamper ready. I'm just gonna scrape lightly once. Right? I'm not working particularly quickly, and I didn't have any trouble picking up both the thick lines and the thicker lines here. Okay, I'm going to stamp in this direction here. Okay. Okay. And again, I didn't have any trouble with that. And sometimes, because I'm speaking while I'm doing the stamping and my breath can go over it, I do have trouble when I'm filming the video with stamping polishes drying too quickly. But I didn't have a problem with that in this case. So anyway, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.